Yeah. Yeah.
Once we spoke in symbols, roaring tight, flipping switches, coding light. From punch cards cold to Python's grace. Each step abstracted, each step erased. Then came the cloud, the boundless sea, where code could float, roaming free. Containers wrapped, our thoughts so neat. A world where syntax took a back seat. But now the shift, profound and vast, where prompts replace the scripts of past. No longer must we craft each line, when words alone let code refine. Need a function? Speak, don't type. An API? Just shape the hype. Machines now listen, they create a future framed by words innate. Yet pause before we say farewell to logic's art, to code's old spell. For guiding minds must still remain, to test, refine, to check, sustain. If AI writes, who keeps it sound? Who guards the flaws yet to be found? Who steers the ship through shifting tides? When AI builds, when AI guides, no, coding soul is not erased, but change, reshaped, redefined in place. Not keystrokes now, but thoughts set free. We are the minds that make AI see.